I don't know if it's just me, or oh frick, recording sucks. Okay, so I don't know if it's just me, or if like I'm the only psychotic person in the world. So if you watched the last snippet of my video, or my last video I posted, we donated $50 to the Arby's charity behind me for No Kid Go Hungry, and excuse me, we got $50 or 50 free slider coupons. As you might guess, we proceeded to cash those today. If y'all think I'm joking, firstly, the people in there, they don't believe me. Second of all, one second. This isn't a small bag. This is like a big bag. It's like a very large bag. There's so many sliders. Holy frick. But here's the catch, right? So we had to figure out. We have 50 sliders. What are we gonna do with them? I'm gonna be attempting to eat them all at once. Matt Stoney, Eric the Electric. I think I can take these guys on, you know? If either of them watch this video, any of them watch this video, I challenge them to an eating contest. Straight up. If I can do all 50 of these, I think you guys need to like and subscribe for my stomach that's actually gonna hate me tomorrow morning. But again, if we can get all 50 of these, I think this deserves a like and subscribe as well. You know, it's kind of free. You know, it's like $3.99. It really takes no time. It's like you're watching the video already. So, but I have an hour of driving and a whole time of sandwiches. So I will catch you guys when I get to my location. Hello, ladies and gents. So we have arrived at our destination, my mom's house. Apologies for the poor lighting, cause the lighting is rough. I'm not gonna lie. I might actually pause for 5 seconds. Let me see if I can get better lighting. Oh, lighting is so much better. Holy fuck. Alright, now. One moment. See, Kev. Not risking a fire. Yeah. I just steal light bulbs from everywhere. But, you know what? Worth it. Behind that woman. Over it. Was he? Alright. One moment. We'll be back. Just a moment, ladies and gentlemen. We have our place of, hold on. So we've got 2 plates. Don't think it's going to be enough to hold all of that. And then we've got 2 root beers. And we'll probably get a glass of water, because it's going to be a lot of food. Come back when we have this set up. Frick. There's so much water in this bag. Because condensation. Who's it? Nobody, except maybe one person, I think, actually believes I can do this. And when I prove them wrong, it's going to be really funny. Or this could backfire. It was a lot of food. Guys, I wish I could say I was halfway done. Or not. really hope I don't need a third plate. I might need a third plate. We're now about halfway through. And I'm mastering the art of unwrapping sandwiches. I got the last of them on the table. I have to get them unwrapped now. We're nearly done. Thank God. Also, can I get a shout out from my editor? He's gonna have to watch me consume all of this food. And then also continue to edit this video. Gotta pick up the evidence that's all over this table right now. Because there's so many wrappers. The last four now. I don't think you guys are ready for this. I'm not ready for this. What? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is 50 sliders. Doesn't look like much, but my hand is the comparison here. It's a whole lot of sandwiches. Holy frick. Alright, 1 second, guys. Because my mom actually wanted to get a reaction of this. Hey, Mom! I have got it all set up. You have to make sure Sadie stays in there, please. Sadie's our dog. I'm right outside the door. Well, Mom made it out of the room successfully without evil doggo following. Mom, are you ready for the amount of sandwiches here?
Whole 50. Holy.
Just a couple sliders, right?
Did we at least keep the wrappers in case you're not gonna eat them all?
Yeah. I totally kept the wrappers.
Nice.
Guys, she looks so confident in my capabilities.
Like I said, I can't watch you do it. I'll get sick.
I mean, it's to be expected. It's a lot of food.
I had a half of 2, and that was too much.
I'm gonna need 2 bottles of water.
Okay.
Just 2.
Okay.
Alright. This is the setup. Mom's running for her life. She's not ready to watch me consume 50 sliders. Holy frick. Just gonna get 2 bottles of water, 2 bottles of root beer, you know. Feeling like who was that kind gentleman that he did kind of sell into these. Who? That guy. Oh no, I'm feeling like LA Beast. Alright guys, enough talking. I'm gonna get into this. Editor, start a timer somewhere in this area, and I'm gonna try to slam these as fast as I physically can. They're so dense. Holy frick. It doesn't help I had an hour drive when we get here. We're about 5 in, and I'm not gonna lie, Definitely dense. I'm gonna be going through. I'm probably gonna have to buy my mother more bottles of water. I'm feeling we're gonna plow through both of these relatively quickly. I don't know if I'm going for speed. This is more capacity at this rate. The bread is going to be the hardest part of this whole thing. Oh. That and this roast beef. I only got chicken and roast beef. Probably one of my biggest mistakes. I should have gone for variety, even if I don't like some variety. Moving on to chicken. Holy fuck. Uh-oh. Probably gonna have to let that sit for a minute. Hey, it's safe. Holy fuck. Whew. That solves all of that taste fatigue. Still switching up the chicken now. Whew. Marble almost fell over. Fantastic. I'm gonna suffer from flavor. I'm going to suffer from flavor fatigue first. I'm gonna be right back. It's gonna help my flavor fatigue is what it's gonna do. Got barbecue sauce. Whoa. Probably should shake this up before I go. Before I get. I think it's funny, right? We're not even halfway through this. And flavor fatigue's kicking in. That was this. Oh. Honey barbecue. Cool. Excuse me. But a lot of to deep fried food. Holy smokes. Just have so many. There's this mountain here. I'm gonna look at it. I'm putting a dent in the soap. I think we're about a fifth of the way there. Margarita is like 22-30 on this plate. And also you're challenging Matt Stoning and Eric the Electric. Two pros in their game versus this newbie. The barbecue sauce is working miracles. Hopefully we don't have to bust out a secret mouse Cthulhu for like, which is another sauce, which I don't like. But gotta get over this flavor fatigue. Oh, excuse me. Making some space. Excuse me. I got that shit in my face going right now. Andrew, once that reaches, an hour, bring me up. But like a beeping notification. I don't know. Yeah. It does remind me. If I am not able to, complete this challenge, I'm gonna have to donate. Well, next time they have donations or whatever, I will have to donate $200. I'll donate. I do. I don't want to be bankrupt from donating. No, that's a strap. What do I do when this? I'll still donate. Probably not, not for the sake of this much food, but I'll probably give the coupons away. I'll do a strap. Doing a quick count here. There's 11 on that plate. Holy frick. I'm scared of how many's on that one. I don't think I did it intentionally, but if my guess is correct, there's 25 there. There was 25 here. Considering we are now down to, I don't know, 11? Yeah, 11. Oh. Ezra, math is hard. 11 plus potentially 25, that's like some number. Leaves me that number left. Oh, sorry guys. Snippet between me and you. 40-hour weeks in video making is gonna be my hardest challenge yet, but I'm gonna try to stay on it. Now, back to this mess. I'm gonna stand up and stretch. Holy frick. We got a bit of a food baby going. Effectively. Okay. Holy frick. Have I had any sensible reasoning? separate the meats. Oh, wow. But, yeah. That's what happens when we try to do one of these from scratch. I'm curious if something. Video. Pause. Nope. Okay. Like that, begin the video. One moment. Ooh. Okay, we're back. I have a ball. Why? Because one, we're feeling it right now. Count. Two, we gotta count how many sandwiches here because it's not looking too good on that glider. Holy frick. There's 30. Many sandwiches. One way to catch myself in the midst of a oh no moment is oh no. Bag of gold, bag of gold. Try to finish this plate. The amount I've had already. We'll see. We'll see. I still got drinks of choice. I can tell my editor's laughing right now. He's laughing his face. He probably knew that this was looking pretty rough. I put the definition of my mouth was bigger than my eyes. No? Eyes were bigger than my mouth. Yeah, that's... Yeah. Oh. Well, there is one thing I can guarantee. I will not be hungry for desserts. Nope. Ooh, frick. I'm not gonna lie, guys. The magnitude of what's in front of me right now, and for the sake of my poor health this weekend, I'm probably gonna have to throw in the towel. But if you're not, the food will not be going to waste. There are people that are interested in eating it. Obviously, not the stuff I got sauce on, but the rest of it, you know. Oh, good heavens. Man, I wish I had a before and after of, you know, this. But I think, even though I wasn't able to complete this, I took a decent portion out of it. Mercy. But if you guys think I should, you know, try to get better at eating and stuff like that, let me know in the comment section below. And I am going to see about what to do with all these sandwiches. My editor will roll the snippet of what I am feeling like here after a while. Yo! Hi, people. So, if you're wondering, this looks like it's a bit of a different time compared to what you just saw that way. Well, probably because it is. Let's see. That footage, just want to mind you, was recorded like a week or two ago. Well, you're also probably asking, if it was recorded so long ago, and you tried to stay on a routine, why is it that it took 2 weeks to drop? That's a great question, little Timmy. Great question. Honestly, same question I had myself. So, the reason why is because I gave the footage to my editor literally the next morning. He tried editing it, had technical difficulties. Big, yeah. So, after a week of trial and error on that, he said the footage went poof missing off of the drive I gave him. Super stellar. Super stellar. So, to wrap it up, my poor man's, for my editor, by the way, can we hope that this man's doesn't catch another sick bug, please? I ended up picking the footage back up from him. Thankfully, the footage was there. So, when I get back, when I say technical difficulties, it was showing that there was no files on the drive on his computer. So it's like, oh, right. So I had to finish editing it, as you're seeing now. Hey, so the video is finally done and over. We will be trying to get back into routine. I apologize for the delay, ladies and gentlemen. We will be releasing the next episode here in like next Saturday? Yeah, next Saturday. I think I'm going to try to aim it every Saturday. Hopefully. That is the plan. Next video, I am going to discuss where I was for those 9 months. Because I don't think I really told y'all what I was doing for those whole 9 months. Hint. Been pretty busy. But, again, next video, I will keep you guys updated on where I was at for those 9 months. Also, for the guys and everyone that has made it to the end of this video, I thank you so much for watching my videos, taking time out of your day. Please like, subscribe maybe, and share it to a friend, you know? That random little Timmy over there, yeah, share it to them. Until then, catch you guys around.